Yeah, welcome back. Okay, all students have joined. देखो 26 से अभी 23 हो गया. What about the others? Shall I wait or shall I continue? Hello? Shall I wait for
कंटिन्यू कीजिए सर.
continue करो?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. ठीक है. So what happens that here the 10 milliseconds करके gap देके एक user को देंगे, and after that the fourth user will be given. Now 10 millisecond में तो तुम पूरा data send नहीं कर पाओगे. So what will happen that after 1000 millisecond, sorry, ऐसे करते करते, so I will create 1000 this kind of, sorry, 100,000 by 10 कितना होता है 100 channel? Yes or no? 1000 by 10 millisecond. So अगर एक एक चैनल को 10 मिलीसेकंड का गैप देंगे, तो within 1000 millisecond means 1 second, I can create 100 numbers of channels and give my data to 100 numbers of users and they will send the data. The concept is like that. राजेश को एक बार दिया जाएगा 10 मिलीसेकंड के लिए, राजेश से लेके सुजन को दिया जाएगा, सुजन से लेके 10 मिलीसेकंड के बाद केन्यूनी को दिया जाएगा, केन्यूनी से लेके 10 मिलीसेकंड के बाद गौतम को दिया जाएगा. So in this way I am shifting the users from one user to another user, and each of the users I am giving from 10 milliseconds. So that 10 milliseconds frame is called the super frame. Now after 100 milliseconds I will give the same channel to Rajesh again. राजेश का जो चैनल बाकी था वो फिर से राजेश को हम वापस कर देंगे, and Rajesh will get this one. And after that, after 10 millisecond again I will give it to Sujan. Sujan को second में दिया था ना, and after 10 millisecond it will get returned back to Kenwini. So in this way, तो राजेश को 10 मिलीसेकंड के लिए मिला था, and after that 1000 millisecond Rajesh will get back to its channel again. और इन और भी इजी तरीके से बताएंगे तो राजेश को दिया गया, उससे फिर लिया गया, वापस लिया गया, and after that 1 second के बाद 1000 millisecond means 1 second. After 1 second I am returning the same channel to Rajesh again. After 1 second I am returning the same channel to Rajesh again. So इतना 1 second में अगर तुम्हारा डेटा तुमको चैनल देके तुमसे वापस लेके फिर से दे रहा हूँ, so you are not going to identify that the channel is already been taken from you. Got my point? Even in case of
So
your
like
wireless, हाँ बोलो,
like scheduling sir in operating system.
हाँ operating system का scheduling की तरह. But what is the difference here? Difference is that this time frame, the time duration that it has been taken from you is so low, that is 990 millisecond only, that is less than 1 second. You cannot interpret that the channel is taken from you. Even हम लोग जो 2G कम्युनिकेशन में पहले बात करते थे, जीएसएम पहले तुम लोग बात करते थे ना जीएसएम मोबाइल से.
Yes sir.
अभी तो तुम लोगों के पास 3G 4G आ गया. So in the GSM mobile we used to give the channel to the user in the TDMA facilities only, TDMA technology only. Means that whenever I am talking to you, the same channel is given to 1000 users. There, instead of giving you for 10 milliseconds, they used to give you for 1 millisecond only. So for 1 millisecond, the entire channel will be given to you, and after that, it will be taken and it will be given to another user. So in this way, they will give the same channel to 1000 users, and after that, the 1001, they will return you back the channel. तो 1 मिलीसेकंड 1 सेकंड के अंदर तुमसे वो चैनल लिया गया और तुमसे फिर वापस किया गया, तो यू कैन नॉट इंटरसेप्ट. तुम्हारा वॉइस ब्रेकिंग में कोई पता ही नहीं चलेगा तुमसे ये चैनल लिया गया, एंड आफ्टर दैट इट इज रिटर्निंग बैक टू यू. मैं ये समझा पाया स्टूडेंट्स? अगर नहीं समझे तो बताओ, आई विल क्लियरिफाई इट अगेन. students?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Yes, sir.
Understood, huh?
Yes, sir.
So this is a basic concept that in case of wireless HART, we are sending the data through TDMA concept, where we are giving the students with the different number of time slots. And yeah, at least one super frame is always enabled, while the additional super frames are enabled and disabled according to the demand of the bandwidth. Means that एक super frame को हम लोग enable कर रहे हैं, बाकी को disable कर रहे हैं. After that, after 10 milliseconds, that super frame will be disabled and the next super frame will be enabled. So in this way, you are sending the data. For any message communication occurs in the allotted time slots and the frequency channel only. Okay. And in this case, they are using star and mesh topology. And maximum payload for the wireless HART is 127 bytes. And they use the TDMA that already I told. And what is the time slot for TDMA? That is 10 milliseconds. Now, as they are using TDMA, so पूरा channel तुमको ही दिया जा रहा है, उस channel को और किसी को नहीं दिया जा रहा है. So it remains collision free. Now, can you tell me, in case of ZigBee, what access technology we are using? Access technology here we are using TDMA, ना? So ZigBee और wireless HART के बीच में अगर difference पूछेंगे, what should be the difference? What is the difference between ZigBee and wireless HART? So these questions will come in the exam. I'm telling you. इतना सारा access technology पढ़ रहे हो तुम लोग, ZigBee, wireless HART, or 6LoWPAN. So what are the basic difference between each of them? Anybody? What is the basic difference between ZigBee and wireless HART in terms of access technology? अगर नहीं आता तो बोलो, so I will explain. Hello, student.
Yes, sir.
Sir, आप बोल दीजिए, sir.
Okay. So in terms of access technology, ZigBee में हम लोग क्या use करते हैं? CSA में CA.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. And in case of wireless HART, we are using TDMA.
TDMA.
So here the full form is collision carrier sense multiple access with collision avoidance. And here it is time division multiple access. So in case of collision CSMA, we have a single channel. Everybody is using this channel, but at this same time, we need to take some precautionary measure so that there should not be collision with the one user data with the other user data. So we are using different technology, like we are first using wait for the interframe transmission time, and after that we wait for a random amount of time, and after we used to send the data. But in case of TDMA, does it require?
No, sir.
हम लोग क्या कॉमन चैनल यूज कर रहे हैं डेटा सेंड करने के लिए? सबको हम लोग अलग अलग चैनल दे रहे हैं ना?
Yes, sir.
सबके लिए अलग अलग रोड है. Okay, so this is the basic difference between wireless HART and ZigBee. Okay, so mind it, you please note it down. So these questions I will ask in the exam. And how many time slots we are creating? 100 time slots. What is the length of each time slot?
10 milliseconds.
10 milliseconds. Okay, and that 100 time slots का जो block है, so that is actually called one super frame.
Super frame.
Okay, so this is here also they use the DSS DSSS coding scheme also, and they are the modulation technique. The one is that access technique they are using, that is TDMA, and the modulation technique they are using is the orthogonal QPSK, and their transmission power is around 10 dBm, 10 decibel meter. Okay, and here as already I told that it is on top, used on top of the IEEE 802.15.4. So IEEE 802.15.4 basically taking care of physical layer and MAC layer. On top of it, you are using your wireless HART, which is taking care of your entire network layer, transport layer, and application layer, like your 6LoWPAN or ZigBee. Okay. So any question regarding the wireless HART?
No, sir.
No question.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Everything is clear. Have you enjoyed it?
Yes, sir.